Okay, so welcome back to the channel. In the series from $500 to a supercar, we're gonna get the Astra's interior clean today. So far we've replaced the engine, alternator, done an oil service on it, brought it to the car wash yesterday. So what we're gonna do today is clean the interior. As you can see, it is filthy and moldy. So what I'm gonna do is tidy these bits up. I think I'm just gonna take the seats out completely. It'll be a lot easier. As it's gonna get dark soon, what I'm gonna do is bring the car out, remove the front seats and the back seat. I'll bring the seats into the garage and bring the car outside. So while we have daylight, I'm gonna clean the interior so I can see better. And hopefully we get it done before it gets dark. And then we can move to doing the seats inside the garage because, well, there's lighting here and everything. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna remove all the seats, leave them in the garage, then bring the car out here. And once the seats are out, I think we'll have better access to everything and it'll just be easier to clean. I might remove the steering wheel as well, sand it down and put some leather paint on it. Also need to figure out what the situation is with the radio because it's, well, not in fully and it's not working, so we need to check the radio as well. Might need to get a new gear knob for it as well because, well, this one is awful. And yeah, once the interior is clean, I don't think we'll even polish it because, well, the paintwork isn't in bad condition. I'm gonna bring it to the car wash again once it's clean and wash all the inner bits because, as you can see, it's still very dirty. So we'll clean all the inner bits, the door jambs and everything, and give it a good scrub down in the car wash. And I'll not even bother painting it because, well, as I said, it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do in this video. Interior clean. Maybe I'll bring it for a car wash. I'm still trying to find a cover for this mirror, but I can't find one at the minute. Hopefully one turns up soon. And yeah, that's gonna be the Astra finished and ready to put up for sale. Hopefully someone buys it quick so we can move on to the next project. I don't know what we're gonna buy next yet, but hopefully something that doesn't need an engine swap because, as you've seen in the previous videos, it was a nightmare of a job, especially in this little small garage. Okay, so enough talking, let's get to work. Okay, so the car is out. I'm gonna start by removing the seats. To remove the seats, okay, we don't have any screws in the front, so I'm guessing just 2 screws here and it should lift up. Same on that side. This rear seat just pops out like this. Okay, so that's one moldy seat out. The back bit I think is going to be a bit of a problem to get out because I'm pretty sure it's bolted in. So I'm going to check if it's easy enough to take out, we'll take it out. If it's not easy to take out, then we'll just clean it inside the car. Okay, so I'm going to get these 4 screws removed and the seats out and I'll update you. Okay, so I've removed the 2 screws, lifted it up. There's a cable underneath thing that just slides. That should just lift up and the cable comes out. That's the cable removed, the bolts removed, so same on the other side, and we'll check the back seat to see if that's easy to get out. If it is, we'll take it out. If it's not, we'll just clean it like this. Okay, I'm gonna get that seat into the garage, remove that one, and I'll update you later. Okay, so we have the front seats out, one part of the back seat. They were the most easiest seats to take out ever. So now we have a lot more room for the hoovering and the cleaning. Ooh, someone had a subwoofer in this car before. So yeah, now I'm gonna check how to remove these back seats and then we'll decide if we'll do them in the car or out. So I folded the seats down and it looks like there is 3 I mean. So it looks like there's 1, 2 and 3 screws holding it and then hopefully it should pop out. If it's only them 3 screws and then it pops out, then happy days, we'll take them out. Put them in here and start hoovering and cleaning the interior before it gets dark. So it turns out the screws that we removed back there wasn't enough. There is 3 more screws here in the front. And whilst trying to take it off, I snapped this bit off. So we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way, unfortunately. Okay, so the back seat is out. That was the hardest piece to get out, but in fairness, compared to some other cars, it wasn't too bad. But at least now I'll have light when it gets dark and I can take my time and clean them properly. So what I'm gonna do now is hoover the whole car and then I'll probably use the chemical hoover to wash these sides because they're dirty. So we'll clean them on both sides and in the rear. Hoover everything, clean out all the plastics, and that'll be it. So once I get that done, I'll update you. Okay, so I have hoovered the interior, wiped down the plastics. That's pretty much everything done with the interior. Well, I could do like a lot more and do a full detail on it, but I don't think there is any point. As long as it's clean, doesn't smell, I think the new owner will be happy enough. The car is being sold very cheaply, so I don't think we need to make it look like brand new because, well, for the price, if it looks like brand new, someone will think there's something else wrong. So we're gonna leave it as it is. I think it's good enough for a 1,200 euro car. It'll be clean enough. So what we have to do next is clean all of these seats, put them back in the car, and yeah, that'll be the Astra interior done. I might bring it down to the car wash again and give it a good scrub with a sponge because yesterday I just gave it a quick wash, quick rinse, nothing special. So tonight after I'm done everything, I might take it down to the car wash, as I said, give it a really good scrub down, and yeah, that's it. The Astra's gonna be finally finished. I don't know if I'm gonna restore the steering wheel because, well, it doesn't look like a bit of paint might fix it. So what I might do is just tomorrow get a cheap wheel cover for like €5 and that'll be that problem fixed. And also still need to find the wind mirror cover, and I want to change that gear knob because it's really horrible. So yeah, just a few bits and we'll be finally finished. And the Astra can go to its new home. So yeah, only small bits left to do. It's looking a million times better already from the day that I got it. If you haven't seen the videos of me fixing the car, make sure to go back and start from part 1 and check out all the videos of me fixing this Astra up, doing an engine swap and everything. So yeah, hopefully in the next video we get the photos taken, put it up for sale, and hopefully someone buys it. And then we'll be on a mission to find the next car that we can flip for a profit. Hopefully it doesn't have too much repairs so we don't take too long. I want to start flipping at least like 1 or 2 cars a week so we can start getting to the supercar as fast as possible, because like, who doesn't want to have a supercar? So yeah, I'm gonna do all these seats, get them back in the car, and yeah, I'll give you an update then. Okay, let's spray it down with some chemicals. Okay, so I've let the chemicals sit for a while, I've brushed them in a little bit, and now Henry here is gonna suck up all that dirt, hopefully, out of it. Okay, so we've done one seat. It's not perfect. If it was full black, I'd say it would be better, but this orange color has just worn off in some places. But I mean, compared to what it was like, it was all moldy and dirty. So I'm pretty sure it's better than it was. It would help if I had like a drill with a brush, but I forgot to bring it down, and I don't want to go all the way to the other garage to get the brush when it don't really need it. Okay, so the seats are cleaned up as much as I could get them cleaned up. I have the rear seat back in already. It's in. We're gonna get in this bottom piece, then we're gonna move on to the passenger and driver seat, and that's it. Interior will be finished. Okay, so the interior is cleaned. So is it perfect? No, but I think it's a lot better than having a smelly, moldy interior. So no more mold, pretty clean. Of course, it could be better, but I'm not a professional. I don't want it looking like brand new. So to me, that is good enough. So we cleaned all the plastic bits, the seats, the mats, everything, the dashboard and stuff. I didn't get around to painting the steering wheel. If I have time, I'll just get a cover to put over it. The gear knob as well. I'll try to find one in the scrapyard when I'm looking for the mirror. So from the interior, all that's really left is the wheel cover and the gear knob. And yeah, I'm still gonna have a look at the radio to see what's wrong with it. Is it plugged in? Is it not? And then from the interior, that's gonna be everything done. Then once we find wind mirror cover, the gear knob, steering wheel cover, that'll be it. There'll be nothing else left to do on the car, and it's gonna go up for sale. For the price that I'm selling it at, I think that the car is in good enough condition. I'm gonna list it for 1,250 and I'll negotiate down to, like, as I said, 1,100 or 1,000 euros. I'm not gonna go to the car wash tonight because it's getting too late. I'm gonna leave that till another day. So yeah, all that's left is to get it properly washed, wheel cover, gear knob, check the radio, the wind mirror cover, and that's all that we're gonna do with this car. So if you want to see us flip all the way from 500 euros to a supercar, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment down below of what car we should buy next. And let me know, what do you think about the Astra? Was it a good deal? Did I pay too much? So the Astra has cost us so far 300 euros for the car, 120 for the engine, 10 euros for the headlight polish, 10 euros for the silicone and the gun that we bought, 25 euros for all the fluids, antifreezes and oils and filters, and 30 euro for the alternator. So we have spent so far a total of 495 euros. But we did get 25 euros back for the engine that we brought to the scrapyard. So we still have 30 euros left in the budget. I think that might be enough to get the cover for the wind mirror, for the steering wheel, and maybe a gear knob. So I think we did it. We managed to stay under 500 euros. Currently now it's cost us 470 euros as we have 30 euros left in the budget. But I think once we buy the few bits, the 30 euros will be gone and the car will fully cost us 500 euro. But for a car like this that's running well, everything's fine with it, for 500 euro for it is quite good, I think. Even when we sell it for like 1,000 euro, it's still a cheap car for the person who's going to buy it for 1,000 euros. Currently on the market, they're around, so from 1,500 to 2,000 euros. So we are selling it below what the car is worth because the car isn't perfect. So I don't want to ask for too much. So yeah, that's enough for this video. I'm gonna pack up and go home. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that. It encourages me to keep making videos for you and helps this channel grow so we can afford better projects and then I can create better content. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.